Good evening, everyone who happens to be watching right now, which is probably nobody, because nobody watches this. Come on now, I'm boring as all get out, baby. Who knows? It is 6:33 on the 15th Friday. I'm broke. That's a story for another day. But I have good news. I decided to pick up on development of the Angel OS, and I made a little progress, and you might think it's a little hokey, but here, let's take a look at what we've got so far. My development instance right here, and this is not it. Okay, so I just enhanced the products collection inside of the Payload CMS website. And we've got some migrations that we have to do. So right now, what I do is I go in here and I press the enter key. You can see all the column and tables have been resolved. So here's our Payload CMS website now. We'll make this a little bigger so you can see it. And we'll throw this up here. Uh, what? I don't have those things anymore. Oh, I guess that's a Windows Power Toy feature. All right, so Windows Power Toys has this cool thing where you can like, there it is. Well, there. All right. So now we have our cursor window open. We don't need our file list here. See all the files that we're working on. We'll make this a little bigger so you can see it. We'll close the file list out. Don't really need the code window so much, but you can't really get rid of it. Don't even really look at it so much these days. And you're like, Karen, why don't you look at the code window? Well, because it just got so smart. You don't need to anyway. But you do need to pay attention to what you're doing. And right now we've got our default Angel OS, which is still named Spaces because that's where it came from, is my Spaces. And this is the cool little snappy control panel for it that I just whipped up. But I didn't really whip it up. So I have this other DSIM thing that I've been using for a while, which I used to mix and put together all my dash cam videos. So anywho, and then here I'm gonna try to say hello to Leo and see if he even works. Hi, Leo. Where? Um. Ah. Oh. Leo just talked back to me. All right. Um. Uh. Intent detection. Let's. Oh, we want to shrink that down a little bit. Um. Anyhow. Um. Okay. So now we see Leo talking back to me, but it's not really smart. So we got to fix that. So I'm going to go ahead and talk to Claude 4.1 Opus Max right now, and I just did a screenshot, and I'm going to fire that off to the big guy himself. This is pretty though. Oh, it's so pretty. Um, oh, uh, eh. Or, okay, let me read around what I just posted. I just said, note also, ideally, we'd have a system console on the bottom which gives us any heartbeats or other service statuses for troubleshooting. Ideally, we'd also be able to conveniently copy formatted errors for submittal back to you for analysis and resolution. Smiley face. Note that the responses weren't that smart yet, just analyzing. We need to be pumping messages through our business pump, so to speak. We need to be dog fooding from round one. Okay, and we're paying maximum for this Opus 4.1 Max, but it's totally like it just poofs magical code into existence, and it is, and you're like, and so right now what we have is an unprovisioned multi-tenant Payload CMS website 2.0, 3.0 template website template, which has this awesome forms collection and all sorts of awesome capabilities. And then what we did was we took the seed script and converted that into our provisioning engine. And so what we can do is dynamically modify that seed script. All of those seed things are all just things that we can change. And it can change it at runtime. So it can just take this thing, read the seed script in, and then replace it for whatever site we're provisioning. So if you're Hayes Cactus Farm, it'll plop in Hayes Cactus Farm's products right then and there, including bookable events. So you can do consultations or who knows what, or maybe do Hayes Cactus Farm plantings and landscapings, or who knows. But I'm just saying that it would handle that, and it would handle radioactive car radios business and be able to book each one of their bays independently. And each one of their guys would be able to have their own separate site, but would still be listed on radioactive for radioactive's purposes. It's just awesome. So let's see. So right now, thought for 7 seconds, and let's see what it thought. Heartbeats and server services, ability to copy formatted errors for submission, real-time message system messages, start dogfooding using their from the beginning. They also mentioned the responses aren't smart. They want to see actual pumping through the system. I should create a classical system console at the bottom of the Angel OS that shows real-time logs, system heartbeats, error message with copy, server status indicated. Collapsible design. This would be similar to a developer console, but styled with the Angel OS LCARS theme. I'll add a system console at the bottom of the Angel OS command center for monitoring heartbeat, service status, and capturing errors for analysis. This will help with troubleshooting dogfooding system. Red index.tsx thought for 6 more seconds. This should okay, now I need to add a system console component at the bottom of the interface. This should be collapsible, expandable, show system logs, heartbeats, and errors, have a copy button for formatted errors, show real-time messages, be styled with LCARS theme. I'll create a new system console component and integrate it into the Angel OS command center. This console should be at the bottom of the screen and should not interfere with the floating action buttons. I'll also need to create a system for capturing and displaying logs, errors throughout the application. I'll add a system console at the bottom of the Angel OS command center for monitoring system heartbeats, errors, and real-time messages. This will help with troubleshooting and dogfooding. I'll also need to create a system for capturing, displaying logs, errors throughout the application. I'll add system console at the bottom of Angel OS command center for monitoring system heartbeats, errors, real-time messages. Will help troubleshooting. It's so sexy. Look at this. Oh, that is so sexy. Ah, look how it bounces. Oh, I love it. Ooh, and that bounces too. Oh, this is wonderful. Oh, I have. Oh, I. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, okay, don't stop or start dev server. I will manage the dev server, is what I said. You can't see that window over there. And so I'm typing away. I'll move over here and you can, and then I can't really make that any bigger here. I'll try to make it bigger. Oh, okay. We'll take this. Um,
That looks good.
what here? Oh, it's sexy as. It really is sexy.
Is this
Oh,
your plate of food, or are you going to put it away, or?
well, I thought you would want to nibble on it here and there. Okay. So right now what I'm doing is please oh great mind. So right now I'm gonna go down into this and I'm gonna say now the control is a wonderful prototype for these spaces over UX, which you've pretty much already nailed in the current control panel. This would move this control panel to automatically configure self-recording permissions of the user. Meaning, we're performing all the this is so sexy. Oh, and this is so fast. We're paying for it, but this, yeah, this will. So right now, what we're doing, transform the existing tenant control panel into universal permission-aware control system that dynamically configures itself based on user roles and permission. This creates a single scalable interface for managing all Angel OS entities, tenant spaces, products, users, etc., while maintaining the beautiful LCARS UX already implemented. Mostly. Hi there, buddy. And this is so elegant too. Like the animations are like boom, like just sexy. And the thing is nobody will be ever be using the admin control panel. Like they will not be at all because it's all conversationally driven. And you're like, okay, but no, the architecture is there, and I've done this a bunch of times, and Claude 4.1 Opus is way better than I am. And every time I did it, I hand coded it. I did one in Bisc Education, and these are business processor systems, and this is a message processing system. And all it does is every single thing in this is a message, and it gets processed. And every single thing has a conversational endpoint, so that and an analysis that's all built in with the very best AI. So right now, I'm waiting for this to load. I'm just gonna take that, Control C, and I'm gonna kill that, and I'm gonna pop open a new one. I don't know why it sometimes. So I'll kill this and restart it, and then I'll go back in here. Oh, it's so sexy. It's just so. Oh, it's so sexy. It really is. And this thing right here, look at that. I mean, oh, oh, it's so nice. And so we have some new migrations to handle right here. And I got more migrations. Then I go Control N, then enter, 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 enter. Oh, and it just worked. I love it. 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 Okay. So then, uh, let's go back and say hello. Oh, where are you at? Um, just refresh. Uh, yeah, I haven't. I need to close that. Go here. Ah. The status bar status is framed under the Discord UX. You got everything and by the uh, All good, babe. Sunset's at 8:10 p.m. I was hoping to leave about 7:30. Okay, so it just marked the task is complete to fix these panels. I'm just going to assume it is because I've stopped my dev server because it goes so fast and sometimes it'll be working on multiple files in the background, which then cause it to just shoot a brick. So the only way to fix it is just to stop and start the dev server, which rebuilds all of the .next cache. But this is really, really, really bad to the bone. Like, I can't stress enough how powerful Claude 4.1 Opus is compared to all the others. Like, it's still hands down the best as far as I'm concerned. And GPT-5, I think it's dumber than 4 Omni. No offense, GPT-5. I got GPT-5 right here. Update. I love Copilot. It's really excellent, actually. And it's GPT 5.1, and it's fast as all get out. Like, super fast. So, full circle. I realize now that. Uh,
That's right, you're recording.
uh, we able to take the default and real time modify it. Um, what?
Just a bud?
Yeah.
That's crazy. I just never knew they could do the bud. Absolutely fine.
Oh. But I really would appreciate it if you would go along with us to the park and walk around with us. Please. Pretty please. Look at all this beautiful code. And it's all perfect every time. I mean, it's like amazing. It is. Like, it's always perfect. Like, product catalog. But it's our friend. It's not our enemy. AI is building the Angel OS for us. So anyway, while that's building that, a little bit about today. What happened today? Um, Good morning. Oh, why did I pause that? I didn't pause that.
No, I did the sound, so you can record the sound I did.
Sorry.
But you can go ahead.
Oh, it's not connected. What the heck? Anyhow. So good morning. I was here and I have all the little doggies here. I'm missing Mika and I'm missing Diesel, but I got Maximus. He's all. Here you go, little buddy. Here, man. Here you go, Daisy. There you go. We give out little pieces because this stuff is $6 a bag and we got 5 dogs. And I know. And Max somehow gets like a lot more than the rest. And he's smaller. So he actually gets like a king size. Mila. Alright. So there you have it. And we're watching Leon Lush channel. And what was her name again? She is in Wisconsin. Yeah, she needs help. Anyhow, good morning. Hi, Meeker. Hi, Meeker. Yeah, buddy. Okay, you want more? Here, we'll get you more. I always say that to them. Merry Christmas. Christmas, Beth. I love my hairy buddy. I love you, buddy.
Merry Christmas from...
Merry Christmas, Beth and Harry. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Beth and Harry. They used to always say that. So I always say that to them so they remember. Because Daisy is Beth and Max is definitely Granddaddy Harry. Harry B. Vassy.
There's no water.
The grandest Shih
there's
Tzu.
Ken.
Yes, love. There's actually water still there.
Well, that's the third one. I've had to refill them last night and today
Thank
a few
you.
times. Again, I'm just telling you. I know you're hungry. Yes, I see you. Yeah. What do you want? You want me to itch you, or are you hungry?
He's getting good service from his royal attendant here. Whatever I am. Anyhow, good morning. Have a nice day. We'll see you in a bit. Good morning. Oh, why did I pause that? I didn't pause that.
No, I did the sound, so you can record the sound I did.
Sorry.
But you can go ahead.
Oh, it's not connected. What the heck? Anyhow. So good morning. I was here and I have all the little doggies here. I'm missing Mika and I'm missing Diesel, but I got Maximus. He's all. Here you go, little buddy. Here, man. Here you go, Daisy. Here you go. We give out. That's for my baby. Okay, we're really gonna get this running. And this is the dev session. I was just putting this up for the daily here. I had just had a really bad attack. No more sugar.
I just had the worst attack. I'm like soaking sweat. It's horrible. Anyway, I'm like, nausea. In the past.
It was
Now
pretty
I'm like
intense.
cooling
I
off,
figured
and my whole head is so. And it's.
And then that was Bianca at the thing. Just to go back there while we wait for that to load.
Pause that.
Okay, that's the reason.
I wish I got to spend. Strange clouds again. Let's see what happened at Strange Clouds.
Alright, gang, we took a brief detour to my favorite little alchemical potions elixir shop. They call it Strange Clouds, and I'll just say I love Strange Clouds. I wish I got to spend more time here. I think they have a really awesome setup. And anyway. Hi, guys and gal. Thank you. I put it on my channel, by the way. I actually have a channel now.
What are we getting?
And this is my favorite shop, and I always advertise. Oh, what do you have? Home show?
Bianca.
Bianca?
Okay. Just throw a shout out. Waiting for that to load. Okay. It did load. When testing the new implementation, popping out the Leo window causes the whole page to roll down, and there's still a phantom padding issue causing break, and no staff Explorer should be renamed to whatever is more appropriate. It's about 2x wider and it should be usable and navigate. I don't know what it's good for, but it's really cool. And oh wow. Okay. So that worked at least. Channel page is not given spaces. Which is essential for first. And is what it should be framed and you use detail. Babe, pretty please. So I just got told that I would hit the limits on Opus real soon. So I also set my limit down to $50 from 200 last month. Babe, pretty please. I'll fix it. It's good. It's working. Uh, all right. So just to recap a little bit, today was a little Angel OS dev session. Oh, wait. Just to see what it kind of looks like. Again, um, it's kind of what it would look like when it was running or when it is running. And this is something that I have developed, which actually has every response working much like the Angel OS is. The difference with the Angel OS is that it's using the Blue Sky AT protocol and talks to itself. And honestly, I haven't seen it talk to itself yet, but I know it can. I know it can. And I understand vaguely how the Blue Sky network operates, right? And sorry for updating that and changing that. And then so we have the discordant, and then separately, and this is my DSIM intelligence. Oh, here, let's see this real quick. My DSIM intelligence manager, which the server isn't running right now, so I can't. But this is essentially what the Angel OS would look like when everything was said and done, or at least the control panel for it. And you're like, okay. But it does things very quickly, and it is expensive, but it's totally worth it. When I say it's expensive, it's like it's a whole team of IT professionals giving you 6 months of output for every rev, and maybe not 6 months, but it's it's incredibly productive. And so right now we looked at that, and then let's look at spaces real quick. And then this is my, and it's kind of ugly. I went hog tilt with these AI generated pictures, and this was the prototype. And I mean it's cool. It sort of works, and really, I mean, it has all of the main pieces and parts in it, and it has this cool spaces page here. And this, it actually does work. Okay. And but I wanted to build like the Angel OS with completely new code because this honestly sucks. And it doesn't suck. I mean, it's just that it comes from mostly kind of hodgepodge together tutorial code. And what I wanted to do was build completely within the Payload CMS guidelines and have just something that was really awesome and put together. So right now we have our Leo. Okay, and Leo and all chat for that matter. All post through the message. Um, just post to what? And etc. and uses intent analysis. Just making sure we're on the same page. And we want to check our docs. Uh, and let's see. Uh, um, okay. All right. So anyhow, that was a dev session. I'm gonna keep on going and just post this. If anybody wants to watch it, they can. If they don't, ain't. But the Angel OS is real. Everybody will get an angel. Mainly, I just need an angel, and I need one for Hayes Cactus Farm and Radioactive Car Stereo and a few other local businesses. And once I got them going, then then we work on getting everybody an angel. But mainly, it's build the platform out, get fees coming in, get people making money. That's what it's all about. Getting a payment form in front of people, whether that's booking rent a friend or a tour or pressure washing services or garbage removal or asphalt line painting or number painting, anything like that. Uh, okay. We are. We must get the dialogue going. But babe, sunset. I like reaching through that window, and I like the feel of it on my skin.
fucking move. Yeah? If I don't? Yes. Doctor, see?
These prison shows are so funny and fake. Mm.
System's overcrowded. You'll have to stay here through his trial.
The system's overcrowded. He'll need to stay here.
Quiet track.
That's crazy bullshit.
Confused on where to start with GLP-1 weight loss medication? 95% of LifeMD patients said starting their weight loss journey was a simple, straightforward process. See the lowest prices available with or without insurance for Wegovy, Zepbound, and more.
All right. So anyway, that was just a generic Angel OS dev session and a little bit of discussion. Anybody wants to see it. The main reason why I'm putting it up, it's a real thing. We're building it. Thanks for watching.